Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am back with one more video of exercise 8.2. In my last video I have made a separate video for trigonometric values. I have made a table there. You can see it. Let us start our exercise 8.2. Let's start. First question is, evaluate the following: sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 and cos 60. Put the values here directly. You can see the table also. If you want to learn the values, then you can watch my video. This is very easy method for learning the trigonometric values. Sin 60 is under 3 by 2 and cos 30 is also same as under 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So let's multiply this. Under 3 into under 3 is 3, 2 by 2 is 4, plus 1 into 1, 1 by 4. This is 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So its answer is 1. If you know the trigonometric value, you can solve every question in just a few seconds. Let us do our second question, that is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So put the values here directly. 2 into tan 45 is 1. So tan square means 1 ka square, plus cos 30 is under 3 by 2. So its square is square this value. Okay. Minus sin square 60 means sin 60 की value put करके उसका square कर देंगे. Sin 60 is under 3 by 2 and square it. You can see this is same with opposite sign, and under 3 by 2 whole square minus यहीं पे कट कर सकते हैं, या फिर आपको ओपन करके भी कट करना है, देन यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज आंसर इज 2 ओनली. सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज cos 45. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 45 इज 1 by under 2 and secant 30. Secant is reciprocal of cos. The cos 30 is under 3 by 2. So this is 2 by under 3 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosecant 30 is 2 by 1. So we can write this as this is 1 by under 2. LCM ले लीजिए इधर. So this is cross multiply 2 under 3. This is 1 by under 2 into under 3 by 2 into 2 under 3. First of all, we can remove this under 2 by rationalizing it by this. So we will get under 6 by under 2 into under 2 is 2, then 2 plus 2 under 2. Okay. So we have to now rationalize this also to eliminate this under 3. So we will rationalize with 2 minus 2 under 3 by 2 minus 2 under 3. So we will get this is under 6 into 2 minus 2 under 3 by 2 into 2 plus 2 under 3 into 2 minus 2 under 3. Okay. So this is 2 common आ जाएगा. So ये आ जाएगा 2 under 6 minus multiply कर देते हैं पहले. This is 2 under 18 by 2 into a plus b into a minus b. This is identity. If you don't know, then a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay. So this is 2 will common here. Under 6 under 18 बचा यहाँ पे. So we can write under 18 3 under 2. You know under 18 is 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 यहाँ से 1 3 बाहर आ जाएगा एक पेयर में से. So this is 3 under 2. So here in denominator 2 will cancel out. This is 4 minus 12. So this is under 6 minus 3 under 2y minus 8. To avoid this negative sign, we will change the order of this numerator. This is 3 under 2 minus this by 8. So this was his third part. Let us solve its fourth part also. Put the values here directly. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. Cosecant 60 is reciprocal of sin 60. Okay. Here secant 30 reciprocal of cos 30 is under 3 by 2. So it is 2 by under root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is reciprocal of tan 45, that is 1. So हम पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. दिस इज 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 minus 2 by under root 3 by 2 by under root 3 plus again 3 by 2. So you can take LCM of numerator and denominators here. न्यूमरेटर का अलग से ऊपर कर लीजिए. दिस इज 2 under root 3. LCM is 2 root 3. Cross multiply 3 under root 3 minus 4 by this is 2 under root 3, 4 plus 3 root 3. So we will solve it now. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3 multiply by इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. दिस इज 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3. So this is 2 root 3, 2 root 3 will cancel out. Now this is 3 root 3 minus 4 by इसको हम इसका ऑर्डर सही करके लिख सकते हैं, चेंज करके. दिस इज प्लस साइन में है ये. सो वी हैव टू रैशनलाइज दिस बिकॉज वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस square root from here. So this is 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. So we will get in numerator this is 3 root 3 minus 4 का whole square है by this is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a square minus b square. Okay, so इसको हम ऊपर whole square को open कर लेंगे. a square is 3 3s are पहले सेपरेट लिख लेते हैं. इसका स्क्वायर प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी बाय ए स्क्वायर इज 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 माइनस 16. दिस इज 3 का स्क्वायर हो गया 9 एंड अंडर 3 का स्क्वायर 3, 9 3s are 27 प्लस 16 माइनस 4 2s are 8 3s are 24 अंडर 3 बाय 11. So this is 41 minus 24 root 3 by 11. So this is the answer of this fourth part. Now let's do its last part of this question, which is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, so let us solve this also. So put the values here directly. So 5 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2 square है, then do it square also, plus 4 secant 30 is 1 by 2, no sorry 2 by under root 3. Secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30, that is under root 3 by 2. तो 2 by under root 3 इसका स्क्वायर माइनस tan 45 is 1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही रहेगा. देन sin 30 एंड cos 30. आपको पता है sin स्क्वायर a प्लस cos स्क्वायर b आइडेंटिटी 1 होती है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू पुट हियर वैल्यूज 1 by 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 by 2 का स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज 5 by 4 प्लस दिस प्लस 4 2 का स्क्वायर 4 4s are 16 by square of square root of 3 is 3 only minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this will denominator हमारा 1 हो गया after taking LCM. This is 3 plus 1 4 by 4 is 1. So I will not solve it. This is 12. 5 3s are 15, 64 minus इसके नीचे 1 है, then it will be 12 here. So this is 79. 15 plus 64 minus 12 by 12 is equal to 67 by 12. So this is the answer of this fifth question. So our first question is over. Now let us do our second question. Second question is we have to choose the right option. Choose the correct option here. So first part is 2 tan 30 degree not square 1 plus tan square 30. We have to find, we have given here 4 options. So first of all we have to solve it. 2 tan 30 is 2 into tan 30 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? So value of tan 30 is 1 by under root 3. You can check the table also, but here this is this. So this is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. So take the LCM of denominator. So this is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 into, this is 4 by 3. So we can write it here 3 by 4. So this will cancel out. Under root 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं under root 3 into under root 3 by under root 3 into 2. So this will cancel out with this one. So we are left with only under root 3 by 2. So we have options sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So which is right option here? देखिए our answer is under root 3 by 2. So under root 3 by 2 किसकी वैल्यू होती है? sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. Under root 3 by 2 is the value of sin 60 degree here. So right option is sin 60 degree. So let's do our second part. So our second part is 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. So put the values here first of all. This is 1 minus 45 degree की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1 by, यहाँ पे भी 1. So this is 1 minus 1 is 0. So let us see our options. So our options are tan 90 degree, 1, C sin 45 degree and D is 0 degree. So our answer is 0. So this is our answers. So our third part is sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A is true when A is what? So we have to find value of A where sin 2A equal to 2 sin A हो जाए यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू. So first of all let's put values put करके देखनी है हमने 0 degree 30 degree. First of all let's put sin 0 degree. This is 2 sin A की जगह put करेंगे 0 degree. So this is 2 into 0 is 0. So this is sin 0. So this is 2 into again sin 0. Sin 0 value is 0. 0 is equal to 0. ये यहाँ पे तो true हो गया. Let us check 30 degree पे. 2 into 30 degree हो गया 60 degree is equal to 2 into sin 30 degree. Here 2 is multiplied to the angle and here 2 is multiplied to sine of angle. ठीक है ना? So this is different things. So it will hold only when angle is 0. So sin 60 की वैल्यू तो under 3 by 2 होती है and 2 into sin 30 value is different है ना? So this is 1 by 2. So this is not equal to this. So our answer is only 0 degree. So options में है A, B, C, D. 0 degree options are 0 degree, 30 degree, C 45 degree and D 90 degree. कहाँ पे होता है? Only at 0 degree. So our fourth part is, so let's do our fourth part, which is equal 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. This is similar question to its first part. उसमें सिर्फ माइनस नेगेटिव साइन का डिफरेंस है. दिस इज 2 into 1 by under 3 by 1 minus 1 by under 3 square. This is 2 by under 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is 2 by root 3 into, this is LCM लेंगे, this is 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So we will write here 3 by 2. 2 will cancel out. So 3 we can write under 3 into under root of 3. This is under 3 will cancel out. Answer is under 3. So our options are cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and D is sin of 30. So under 3 किसकी वैल्यू होती है इनमें से? So this is the value of tan 60. So this is the right options. So our third question is, if tan A plus B is equal to 60 degree and tan A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Sorry, no, this is under root 3 and this is 1 by under root 3 and जो A plus B है that lies between 0 and 90 degree and angle A is greater than B, we have to find A and B. So we are given that tan A plus B is equal to under root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to under root 1 by under root 3. So first of all take this given value. This is under root 3. Where is under root 3 on tan? Tan की वैल्यू under root 3 कब होती है? When tan is 60 degree. Okay, so tan will cancel out, will cancel out. So we will get A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Also tan A minus B is 1 by root 3. So where is 1 by root 3 value? Tan. So this is at tan 30 degree. At tan 30 degree the value is 1 by under root 3. So tan cancel हो जाएंगे. We will get only A minus B is equal to 30 degree. So this is equation 1 and 2. You can see equation 1 and 2 after solving these two equations. We will use your elimination method. V are of opposite sign, same value V. This is cancel out. This is 2A is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 45 degree. So put this value in. Putting this value in equation 1. So equation 1 is A plus B is equal to 60 degree, which implies B is equal to 60 degree minus A. So 60 degree minus A is 45 degree, which is 15 degree. So our B is 15 degree. So these are the values of A and B. So let us solve its fourth question also. Question number 4. So what is fourth question? Fourth question is, we have to state whether the following statements are true or false. So our first part is sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. We have to check sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus B or sine A plus sine B everywhere. हमेशा ये ट्रू होता है या नहीं? We can put the values here. Values put करके देख लीजिए. This is sin 30 plus sin 60. है ना? You are taking A 30, B 60 here also. So this is sin 90 degree. So this is sin. You can put here separate values. For this is 1 by 2 and this is under 3 by 2. So its value is 1 and this is not equal to 1 है ना? इनका सम करके 1 नहीं आएगा. This we will get only this. So this is not equal. So this it means this is false. So second part is the value of sin A increases when A increases. हमें बताना है कि साइन की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होती है जब ए इंक्रीज होता है, मीन्स थीटा. इफ वी आर टेकिंग साइन 0, व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? 0. साइन 30, व्हाट इज इट्स वैल्यू? 1 by 2. 60 है ना? एंगल इंक्रीज हो रहा है यहाँ पे एंड वैल्यू इज डिक्रीजिंग. देखिए दिस इज वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. दिस इज 1 by 2 एंड साइन 45 इज 1 by under root 2. what is this? This is ये बाद में आएगी. दिस इज साइन 60 होता है under root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is equal to 1. So value is increasing from 0 to 1. 0 पे start हो रही है and 1 पे finish हो रही है. Means if as angle increases, the value of sine also increases. So this is true. So third part is the value of cos A increases as angle A increases. अब हमें cos का भी बताना है. So let us start with cos 0 degree is 1. Cos 30 degree is √ 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 45 degree is 1 by √2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. So this is the reverse of sine. Means जैसे जैसे एंगल इंक्रीज हो रहा है the value of cos decreases to 0, है ना. धीरे धीरे slowly ये 0 की तरफ जा रही है. So this is false. And our fourth part is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. sin theta equal to cos theta होता है हर एंगल पे. देखना, you can check here. sin 0 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 is
So
this.
sin theta and cos theta are equal only when theta is equal to 45 degree. It means
This is false. The fifth part is cot A is not defined if A is 0. Means we have to find the cot A when A is 0. Means cot 0. What is cot 0? This is reciprocal of tan 0. So reciprocal of tan 0. Tan 0 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? Tan 0 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Means it is not defined. So this is also true. Okay. So our exercise 8.2 is completed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.